So we're just first going to start off with a quick reminder of the two ways we can represent a fraction when the numerator, the top number, is greater than the denominator, which is the bottom number. And these two ways are, we can write it as top heavy, or a top heavy fraction, or we can write it as a mixed number. Now, these both mean the same thing. They equal each other. They're the same value. They're just the same value but written in different ways. So to convert them between each other, we may do this for various reasons. We tend to use top-heavy fractions when we are applying operations and using them in questions to do different calculations. That's when we tend to use top-heavy fractions. And then quite often we can be asked, or it might just be better form to leave our answer as a mixed number, or even at the start of a question you may be given a mixed number and asked to convert it and then solve the question. So we convert a top-heavy fraction to a mixed number by finding out how many times the denominator goes into the numerator. So here, looking at this question, it would be 4, because 5, how many times does 5 go into 22 as a whole number? Well, as a whole number, it goes in 4 times. 5, 10, 15, 20. That's 4. And then you simply find what the remainder is. So then you've gone to 20, and here we have 22, so it's 2 over, so then it's just 2 over 5. And that's how you convert to a mixed number. Find out how many times the denominator goes into the numerator as a whole number, find what your remainder is, and put that over the denominator as your remainder. And that's it. Fairly simple. And then to convert it back, all we do is we take our whole number, which is 4, and then multiply it by the denominator here, which is 5, to give us 20. So that would get, and then adding it to the top would give us 22 over 5 to get us back to our top heavy fraction. So that's how we do it. Multiply the denominator by the whole number and then add on whatever you have on the top. And that's it. Okay, so now that we've looked over how to convert them, let's take a look at how we apply the operations to them.